Good morning, biology students, or good afternoon, I guess, depending on when you are watching this. Hopefully, you're watching this sometime Monday, January 25th. I want to outline this week's expectations. It doesn't actually look like we have as much on the docket, on the agenda for this week. However, some of these assignments are going to take you multiple days. So listen carefully if you can, please. Now, first, this DNA finger. Now, I will first of all say the expectation is that anything that didn't get done last week, you go back and finish. So if you have not done, so this was really the last assignment that was required, this DNA fingerprinting test. If you did not do that assessment, which most of you have taken it at this point, then please do that. However, so if you have taken that assessment, and there were some of you who may not have done as well as what you would have liked, what I would ask is that you go in and you do this DNA fingerprinting retake lesson. So there is inside of here, there is a lesson. I would recommend that once you start this, that you actually play it like large screen and like, in the bottom right hand corner, click large and enlarge it. Also, this week, I have attempted to insert things using a different way. So it came to my attention that people are still having a hard time with the pausing function. So this week, what I have done, instead of loading them from my drive, I've uploaded them to YouTube and then linked them that way. We'll see if that works any better. So if anybody's been having that problem once you pause, if somebody could give me feedback and say, hey, Mr. Ackert, it seems to be working just fine this week when you've been putting them on YouTube, then let me know and I can spread the word to other teachers to be doing that. But anyhow, so this video will walk you through some other suggestions on how to solve these problems with DNA fingerprinting or genetic profiling. I go through some specific examples and give you some tips and tricks that may help you perform better. You can then, after you've sent me, it's going to talk in the email of what to do the retake. Now, to earn your check mark for this, you may look at your grade and say, hey, I'm good with that. I'm fine. No retaking for me. Then you would just comment on here, thanks, Mr. Ackert, I've read the assignment. And that's all you really need to do, that you've completed this task. Again, I'm just throwing that out there for people to redo. So again, you'll want to watch that. If you take the retake, and you don't do what it tells you to do in the email, I will not grade your assignment. So I know that seems kind of harsh, but I need to make sure that everybody's gone through the video and try to do to get better. So just doing the same assignment again without any preparation, you probably will do a similar grade. So all right, so that's that assignment. Let me jump back here to this week. So again, that retake, and I would like that done relatively quickly. In fact, I would really like that done today so that we can move on to things. Chromosome construction. There is a video inside of here that talks about this. People that are in person, I will be bringing you materials today. Remote folks, you should actually be getting in the mail today or tomorrow an envelope that has your handouts inside of it. I was told by the post office it would arrive today at all of your houses, or you already have it. And so that chromosome you have, please construct that today. Okay. Then moving on, DNA fingerprinting gizmo. And I will tell you that make sure you keep that chromosome safe. You're going to need it for Thursday, actually. But I thought today would be a good day to get it constructed, especially here at school, since you have an all day to work. DNA fingerprinting gizmo. You have 2 days to complete that. It will take you a little bit of time. Again, there's a video with that. Please do your best. I will talk to the in-person people specifically about that, and I would encourage you to wait until I come to your room on Tuesday to actually begin that. Okay. Then there's going to be this chromosome activity where we're going to use that chromosome. You're going to actually be making this big, long, it's about 12 feet long chromosome, a whole bunch of A's, C's, G's, and T's, and then you're going to use that in this chromosome activity on Thursday. And I'm not going to talk about that. There's videos with that. I'm actually really proud of that lesson. I worked really hard on like a whole Saturday just designing that, and I'm actually really proud of that activity, and I hope it helps you understand like the ideas of telomeres and centromeres and P arms and Q arms and promoters and all kinds of things. Then once you're done with that chromosome activity, you are ready for the debriefing. So this is how another way I'm going to grade that. I will be grading this assignment. It will be like your completion of that will be a small summative grade. It's really important that you get that done so that you can answer the debriefing questions. The debriefing question is actually a 1S. It's a paragraph that you're going to respond to, and I have a video specifically for that. So as far as my expectations is that by the end of this week, you're completed with this chromosome activity. Maybe you've even moved on to the debriefing activity. And so please do your best to get these things done this week. And I look forward to seeing the folks in class that are here. If you are a remote learner and you are having a difficult time with any of these individual tasks, please let me know. Excuse me. I can always Google Meet with you anytime after 1:30. So I did that with a student last week. I think it really helped. And I would look forward to helping you out that way if you're stuck. If 1:30 doesn't work for you, then throw me out of time and let's try not 2 a.m. How about we not do that? How about if we Google Meet, it's always going to be before 9 o'clock at night. So, because Mr. Acker goes to bed pretty early. Sorry, he's getting old. All right, everybody have a good day. Thanks for watching this. And again, let me know if the videos are playing a little bit better when you pause them this week, because I am attempting to a different way. So, all right, I appreciate that feedback. All right, everybody have a good day. See you next time.